Welcome to the RentX Routine Inspection Software Module demo, your all-in-one solution designed to streamline and elevate inspection processes across commercial buildings. Let's explore how RentX helps teams identify issues early, take action faster, and maintain operational excellence. The main dashboard provides a clean and organized overview of all inspection-related activities. From here, teams can easily navigate inspections, issues, schedules, and work orders, keeping everything visible, controlled, and on track. Routine inspections are only valuable when issues are captured and resolved. That's where the issue tracking module plays a central role. Any issues identified during inspections or assessments are logged immediately, with clear ownership, status tracking, and full visibility from identification through to closure. Nothing is lost, overlooked, or left unresolved, ensuring accountability and faster response times. The Inspection Order module manages the execution of routine inspections across commercial buildings. View all pending, in progress, under review, and completed inspections at a glance, giving managers real-time visibility into inspection activity and progress. Inspection orders can be filtered by category and method, with clearly defined task details such as inspection rules, location types, and checklist items. Orders can be reassigned to other service teams or closed when no longer required, supporting efficient coordination and follow-up. RentX keeps teams informed of all upcoming inspections through the inspection schedule. Whether inspections are pending or already in progress, real-time status updates ensure no inspection is missed, and workloads are balanced effectively. To ensure consistency across inspections, RentX allows teams to create standardized inspection templates. Templates can be configured for different inspection types and reused continuously, supporting repeatable, structured inspection processes across sites and teams. Beyond routine inspections, RentX assessments focus on measuring the overall performance and operational effectiveness of key areas within commercial buildings. Assessments provide a higher-level evaluation of standards, compliance, and operational outcomes. Creating assessment templates and managing assessment schedules is seamless, ensuring consistent evaluation aligned with organizational and operational standards. The Assessment Work Order feature helps teams manage follow-up actions identified during assessments. Tasks can be assigned, tracked, and completed with full visibility across pending, in progress, and completed work, maintaining control over assessment outcomes. Routine inspections are critical to the smooth operation of commercial buildings, and RentX brings everything together in one integrated platform. From capturing and resolving issues to managing inspections, assessments, schedules, and work orders, teams can operate with clarity, accountability, and confidence. RentX is cloud-based and accessible anywhere, anytime on any device, empowering teams to manage inspections and operations whether they are on-site or on the move. Take control of your building's operational performance. Get started with RentX today.